Oh yeah, I'll be rolling into the weekend like this. Oh fuck, I'll get run over. That would be a shit way to start the weekend. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, I do have a topic in mind today. I wanted to talk about the ideal length for your attention span or a YouTube movie or video in general. So let's dive into it. Alrighty then, what I want to know is how long your attention span is. Basically, how long do you think is the ideal or perfect length for a YouTube video? Now, if I was a smart man, which we all know I'm not, I could dive right into YouTube analytics and check out my videos, but I'd rather just ask you, because you guys are the people who are watching the thing, so get it from the horse's mouth. I want to know whether I should make my video shorter or longer. This especially applies to the fishing and crabbing videos, because man, before I like cut the shit out of them when I'm editing it, they're generally going to be about half an hour long, and it's fine for me and Dan to watch it because we think we're fucking hilarious, but I know some people would probably lose interest, or if you're stuck at work or you're in the car, wherever you're watching, on the toilet, maybe, doing some paperwork, maybe you just don't have the time to watch the whole thing in one go, and will you come back to it later? Who knows? So I thought the last couple I cut in half. So I did a part 1 to part 2. And in the live chat thing on the premiere, people were disappointed that it ended so quick, and it wasn't a short movie, it was 16 minutes, so I think that's a fair lump of a video. But don't get me wrong, I appreciate you guys saying you want more, but I'm just thinking in general, is 16 minutes too long? Or I think YouTube's guide thing, or when they give you the tips and tricks, they say the average view duration is like 7 or 8 minutes or something. But well, I know personally, if I'm into what I'm watching, I'm going to watch the whole thing, man. I don't care. But that is my question to you guys. Should I make them longer or shorter? 2 parts, 1 part? I don't know. With the moto vlogs, with the videos I do on the bike, I know the fishing guys don't really like them, but this is what I do, so sorry. If you see handlebars in the thumbnail or whatever, just don't watch this one. Just wait for the next fishing one. But generally, I'm just doing this while I'm riding to work, because unfortunately I haven't won the lotto yet. But these ones are easy for me. I just talk shit basically, so while I'm riding around. So I could make these as shorter as long as I want, but I don't want to waffle on. I want to have a subject and get to the point and not just talk shit. So anyway, we did go fishing on the weekend, and we did catch fish. And we also caught the biggest mud crab we've ever caught in our lives. So that's pretty damn fucking cool. We were pretty excited about that. That video will be coming out this coming weekend, but you won't know when that is, so that doesn't really matter. But let's just say it was a little less average than you used to. So I hope you guys will keep an eye out for that one. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, here's my little thing. I put a pic up of the thumbnail, so you'll be able to check that out. But alright guys, it looks like I'm going to get a seriously wet ass today, but I don't care. needed to feel the wind on my visor because I wear a full face. So I'll stop waffling on and leave you good people to your day. Wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink a cold beer, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya!